Hey everyone, it's the Makeup Jeannie, and today we're going to be doing a get ready with me, as well as I'm going to show you some new items that came in. I can't purchase anything, but I did have Ulta rewards, so I went ahead and used those because I was just needing something new. So this is probably the last for a long time, unfortunately. And my chair squeaked. Sorry about that. So first, we're going to go ahead and get ready. And somebody had asked me to do a pink look. Alice. So I'm going to be making funny things because I've been drinking fruit smoothies in the morning. This morning had strawberries, and I have got I brushed my teeth already, but I still have little seeds for some reason. But anyway, okay, on with this. Okay, I will be using by Essence the Fairy Wings and Magical Things. I think I've used this one before. Well, you know what? Why don't I use one I've not used? Let's see. No, we're going to use this one because this is a really pretty palette here. And I got a couple of new brushes we're going to be using. This is Sugar Rush, my little cactus. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be dark enough. I mean, it doesn't have to be dark, I guess. Brush. I'm going to go ahead and use this palette. Only has the one matte, which is that first one that I used. That's crazy. I'm going to take the same color, which is actually sort of a lavender color. I'm going to go ahead and try to pull it off. It's really, I need a smaller brush. what I will do. Okay, now I am going to go in with a fluffier brush. I'm trying to soften up the look all the way to the top, and now same brush that is in my way. I'm gonna have to set it down. Okay, now I got something in this eye. That was my son holding our kitty cat. Okay, that color I took all the way up to the brow bone. And let's see, I'm going to take this tiny little brush here, put some of my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water down into my little mirror tray. We'll come back with that very first pink. I'm going to try to bring it up, feather it up into this upper outer corner. All right, for the lid, let's see. I just leave that little tiny brush down. Yes, kitty cat. So I'm going to clean the same little brush, which by the way, this is a Morphe M213. This one again was Sugar Rush. It doesn't have a number or anything, but they were little cactus that they had. I also used I call it a pencil brush. It's precision blending. This is a Lexi 243. This color here that I'm using could be used as a highlighter almost, even though it's a little bit sparkly. Okay, the pink that I used first is called Fairy On. Then I tried to darken up a tiny bit with this It's Magic, which is the purple next to it. Everything in here is shimmers except for the Fairy On. Everything else is, yes, shimmer for sure. This one may actually have glitter in it that I'm using. Then I used a little bit of the Once Upon a Time, which is this top one, and a little bit of the Jeannie in a palette. And then I finished with the Fairy Wand on the inner corners and tear duct area. Again, this is the Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things. It's such a beautiful little palette. I mean, that is just really pretty. I love the turquoisey blues and the greens. This one, I'm gonna have to try this color. I've not used it yet. So it's not a new palette or anything. It's just one that I just reached for and grabbed because I knew it had the pastel-y pinks in it. So let me give my eyes a look. Okay. You know the routine. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off. I'm going to do my lips and eyeliner and mascara and brows and everything, and I will be back. Okay, everyone. I'm back, and here's the final look. Scarf I took out. Let's see. I might put it over my head, but being silly with my scarves. The lipstick today is Doll Parts by JeffreeStar. Essence, Fairy Wings, and Magical Things. And this was a request look to do pink. So that's what I did. I should have pulled a wig out and thrown on because I have a couple of different ones I was going to try on y'all. I just didn't get around to it today. Okay. I got some new glasses as well. They're dirty now, but there we go. They're sort of a purple frame thing. All right,